Hello, amazing people. I am Ayushi Rawat and welcome to my channel. I am back with another video tutorial for my Python's project playlist. This is my 26th video tutorial in this playlist. In this video tutorial, we'll learn how to turn an image into an ASCII art. We'll see the implementation in Python. It is my birthday week and I wish to achieve 2k subscribers before my birthday. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel right away. So let's have a look at today's agenda. We'll cover the basic introduction of ASCII, the basics of PyWhatkit module, and we'll see how to convert any image into ASCII art using Python. Let's get started. What is ASCII? ASCII is an abbreviated form of American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It's character encoding standard for electronic communication. ASCII code represents text in computer, telecommunication equipments, and other devices. If you wish to know more about it, you can refer to its Wikipedia page. I'll attach the link in the description box below. Now let's have a look at the modules used. PyWhatkit module. PyWhatkit module is a Python library with various helpful features. It's an easy to use library which does not require you to do any additional setup. This module has lots of other cool features as well. In my last video, I covered how to automate WhatsApp using Python with the help of this module. As requested by many of you, I am creating separate video of the other features in this module. If you wish to know more about it, you can refer to the PyWhatkit module. You can also refer to PyWhatkit GitHub page. Now that you're familiar with ASCII basics and have acquired a basic knowledge of PyWhatkit module, we can move forward to the coding section. It's time to code. You can find all the code at my YouTube project's GitHub repository. Drop a star if you find it useful. You can also refer to my blog for a step-by-step guide of the video tutorial. I'll mention the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's quickly open your command prompt and use command pip install PyWhatkit to install the PyWhatkit module. And hit enter. Since I've already got this installed in my system, it says as requirement already satisfied for me. Once done, let's head over to our VS Code editor and let's start by creating a new Python file. I'll name it as ASCII Art. Now we need to import the package in a Python script. Use the following command to do so. Import PyWhatkit as KT. Now that we have imported the library, let's move forward and display a welcome message. We will make use of print method to do the same. So let's print out. Let's turn images to ASCII art. Now let's capture the image that you wish to convert to ASCII art. So this is the image that I'm going to use as demo here. The image depicts a flower. So let's store it in source path. I am directly giving the image name here because my image and the Python script resides in the same folder. So flower.png it is. Make sure to give the correct path here. If the Python script could not locate an image with the given name at the mentioned path, it will result into an error. Now let's create a placeholder to store the output. Let's store it in target path. As it's an ASCII file, make sure to use the correct extension, that's .text. So I am giving here ASCII art.text and hit enter. Finally, let's call our main method here. So kt.image to ASCII art. Let's pass in both the parameters here, our source path and our target path, separated by commas, and hit enter. One thing to note here is the output will be generated in the same folder where the Python script resides if no alternate path is mentioned. Let's save and run our Python script. So here our welcome message is displayed. Let's turn images to ASCII art and a new text file is created with the same name as our target path in the same folder where our Python script resides. That's ASCII art.txt. So let's open this file. Let me open the original image so that you can see a side-by-side comparison of the two. Flower.png. Let's go ahead and recreate the ASCII art for another image. So this time I am taking one of my pictures, for example. I have saved it with name ayushi.png. So let's try and create this PNG file into an ASCII art. So all I have to do is replace the flower PNG with Ayushi PNG. And I name it as ASCII art2.txt. Let's save and run our Python script once again. And a new file will be created with ASCII art2.text. And here it is. Let's open it and have a look. Let me open my image side by side for a better comparison. So here's the ASCII art. With these steps, we have successfully turned an image into an ASCII art using Python. That's it. Simple, isn't it? Hope this tutorial has helped you. You can play around with the PyWhatkit library and even explore more features. You can find all the code at my YouTube project's GitHub repository. Drop a star if you find it useful. I have recently curated a list of all Python resources in repository which goes by name Ultimate Python Resource Hub. It contains Python books, newsletter, podcasts, etc. I'll drop the link in the description box below. Drop a star if you find it useful. Also, you can refer to the blog for a step-by-step guide of this video tutorial. I'll attach the link in the description box below. Make sure to check out the other video tutorial of the Python project playlist and do subscribe my channel. If you have any queries or suggestions, feel free to reach out to me. I would strongly recommend you to join my Telegram channel and Discord server for regular updates and to connect with peers and fellow developers to make new connections and help improve your coding skills. Also, connect with me on Twitter. My handle goes by Ayushi7Rawat, LinkedIn, and other social platforms. I'll attach the link in the description box below. If you like the video, share it with your friends and connections who are interested in learning Python. Do share your feedback in the comments section below, which will help me improve my next video. Drop your suggestions if you want me to make a video on a particular topic. I will be back with more such videos. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.